Hey YouTube, I'm back out here on this loader rebuild, whatever, I don't know what you can call it, but just trying to get it fixed up. I made a couple discoveries since last time I got this ground out so that I could get the get the uprights slid in and pinned so that I don't have to worry about it falling. When I jerk on it, it's not gonna fall. But what I did discover is if I measure from the bottom of this pin here to the ground, from this side and this side, there's a 1/4 inch difference. So this side being lower, and that is, since it's canted out that way a little, I could understand that would be one of the reasons, but I'm thinking it's possibly these arms were welded back onto this plate for some reason, these plates. And then the other thing I noticed is right here with the other side pinned in, I can't, regardless whether that pin's in or not on the other side, regardless of the position, I can't get a pin to go in and out of this side because it's not drilled. The pin between here and this hole is not right. This hole seems to be a little bit too far up and a little bit too far forward this way, so you can't get a pin to go in there. So that's another problem. It was only pinned on one side. So yeah, this thing's definitely got to be it's got to be cut off and redone. But so what I noticed is with the measurements, y'all might be wanting these measurements. I'm going to take exact drawings of all this stuff. I'll be able to duplicate it later, but I might be copywriting whatever. I don't know. I don't care. So from the ground up to the center of this pin here, we got just about 36.5 inches. And then when I take this pin out and slide it in over on this side, we get right about 36 inches. It's about 36 inches. So it's about a 1/2 inch, not a 1/4, 1/2 inch. That's significant. Anyway, so between the height variance and the pin not locking in, and this arm being crooked and this one being more straight, that's the other thing I forgot to mention. I was checking these arms are not level, like, they don't sit level this way. From here up, they have a slight lean back, so I still have to figure out what that lean is. But if I go over here, this upright is not quite, but almost level this way. So I'm thinking when I do them, I'm gonna want to make them pretty much level up and down this way. And this one over here is far from level, see? And again, over here, it's got a slight lean backwards. So yeah, these plates here, no good. I'm just gonna cut those off and figure out how to cut these out. I'm gonna try and salvage all this and just replace the plates, and hopefully I could just do it with just replacing these plates here. I have some 1/4 inch plates that'll work in place of these, whatever that was, I don't know. Anyway, okay, that's it.